With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Today our question is the volume of the greatest cone obtained by rotating a right angled triangle of hypotenuse 2 units about a side is k pi upon 9 root 3 cubic units. Then the value of k is equals to. So we have given that there is a right angled triangle which we are rotating it through a side. So it can form a greatest cone, right? So let's suppose that we have a triangle like this, and this will be its side. Right, so this is what our right angle triangle having right angle at B. So this is what our ABC triangle, and we have given hypotenuse is 2 units. That means this is our hypotenuse and this is equals to 2 units. Right, now to make it in the form of a cone, we have to rotate it through this side. Right, when we rotate it through this side, it will form a cone, right, like this, and its radius will be its base BC, right? So we can say that this is our A, this is our B, and this is C. This is its slant height. For the cone, it will be its slant height, right? So we can say that slant height would be equals to the hypotenuse of rectangle of triangle, which is right angle triangle. So we will write here that after rotating the greatest cone along one of its leg, a cone is generated, and where let x be the height, right? This is our height, this is the radius of the cone, and this is the slant height. So after rotating the triangle, we will see that slant height will be equals to hypotenuse, which is AC, right? And from this triangle we can say that this is the right angle triangle having right angle at B. So using Pythagoras theorem, we can write here, using Pythagoras theorem, we can write here that b square plus p square is equals to h square. Base is radius plus perpendicular is x is equals to slant height is L square, and we know that L is equals to AC and AC is equals to 2, right? 2 units. So we'll take 2 here. So this will become 4 r square plus x square. So this is what our first equation. And now in the question we have given that we have to find out the greatest volume from this cone. So what is the volume of a cone? We know that volume of a cone can be written as 1 upon 3 pi r square h, right? H is what its height, which is given as x, and r is r square. So from here we can say that r square would be 4 minus x square, or we can say that r is under root 4 minus x square. This implies, so we will note down every factor that is given to us. R square is root under 4 minus x square whole square, root and square root will be cancelled out, into h. H is x. So this will give us pi by 3, root will be cancelled out, 4 minus x square into x, right? This is what our volume of cone. Now to find out maximum volume, we have to differentiate this volume with respect to x. We will write here dv by dx would be, we can write this as 4 pi by 3 x minus pi by 3 into x square into x. Pi by 3 into x square into x will become x cube. So after differentiation it will become 4 pi by 3 only, right? Because we know differentiation of x with any constant cx would be c only, whatever the constant is. So here our constant is 4 pi by 3, so 4 pi by 3 is the constant here, minus pi by 3 x to the power 3. So we know that differentiation of x cube is 3x square. So we can say that 3x square. So 3 into pi by 3 into x square, 3 and 3 will be cancelled out. We will left with 4 pi by 3 minus pi x square. So this is what our volume dv by dx. Now we have to find out the maximum volume, right? So we will write here, for maximum or minimum. To find out at what value our volume will be maximum or minimum, we have to put dV by dx to 0. So we will write dV by dx is equals to 0. Now equating it with 0 will give us 4 pi by 3 minus pi x square is equals to 0. Pi and pi is common, so it will be cancelled out. Let's shift it on the other side. 4 by 3 will be equals to minus x square will become x square. So from here we can say that x will be plus minus 2 upon root 3. This is what our value of x, for which we will now find out whether our volume will be maximum or minimum. So to find out the maximum or minimum value, we should have the second differentiation of volume, right? So second differentiation of volume will be d2v by dx2. So we can say that this will be dv by dx differentiation of this term 4 pi by 3n minus pi by pi x square. 4 by 3 pi minus pi x square differentiation of this term with respect to x. So differentiation of a constant is 0 minus differentiation of this term will be 2 pi x, right? So we will have 2 pi x only. Now we know that we have the value of x, two values of x, which is plus 2 by root 3 and minus 2 by root 3, and if we put value of x into d2v by dx2, and after putting these values, if we get d2v by dx2 greater than 0, then we can say that at that value our volume will be, at that value of x our volume will be minimum, right? If it comes out to be greater than 0. But if it comes out to be less than 0, then we can say at that point volume will be maximum at that point of x. So now we have two values, right? We will write here case 1 for x is equals to 1 upon root 3. We will get d2v by dx2. d2v by dx2 has value minus 2 pi by x, minus 2 pi x minus 2 by root 3 pi. We can see that clearly this is negative 1. So if d2v by dx2 is negative, it will fall into this category, and we can say that volume will be maximum at this point only. So we will write here volume will be maximum at x is equals to plus 1 upon root 3. Let's check for the second case also. For case 2, we will have for x is equals to minus 1 upon root 3, d2v by dx2 will become a positive value plus 2 by root 3 pi, right? Which will indicate that this volume is minimum. Volume is minimum for x is equals to minus 1 by root 3. So that is what your solution. Now we have to tell for what value of k, right? So we have k pi upon 9 root 3. So we will find out the value of volume first, right? So a volume is 1 upon 3 pi. Let me see here. The equation of volume was this, right? Pi by 3, 4 minus x square into x. Pi by 3, 4 minus x square into x, right? Now we have volume. We will write here volume. We know that x is equals to plus 1 by root 3 for maximum value, right? Plus 1 by root 3. So we will put x is equals to plus 1 by root 3 here. So 1 by root 3 square will be 1 by 3 only. 1 by root 3. 4 3s are 12 minus 1. This will become 1 by 3 pi. Taking LCM will give us 3, and it will become 12 minus 1 is 11 upon root 3. It will become 11 pi upon 9 root 3. Comparing it with the given equation, we can see that k is equals to 11, right? That is what our final answer. K should be equals to 11. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.